So, looking ahead to the future. You said you want to destroy the leaf, but how? What's your plan?
The elders must die. The others I basically don't care about either way.
But your forces are hopelessly insufficient to take on the leaf. Neither you nor the Akatsuki alone has the military power for that. It seems we share a common interest. So, Taka will coordinate and move with the Akatsuki.
And what's in it for us?
We'll share the tailed beast with you.
Tailed beast.
It's the ultimate chakra weapon. It's not a bad proposition.
Fine.
We've already got our hands on 7 out of the 9. Just 2 remain. Our current plan is to split up and hunt down the remaining 2.
You don't have the 9 tails yet, huh?
The Akatsuki will hunt down Naruto. Taka, you take the other.
I'll be right back.
Where's this 8 tails, huh?
Don't underestimate us. We'd never tell the likes of you anything. We would never betray one of our own. That would be...
A fearful heart is more likely to crack.
Let up, Suigetsu. He's under Sasuke's genjutsu now.
I was just getting to the fun part.
Give us the 8 tails location.
He's training in Unraikyo, the Storm Cloud Ravine.
Any distinguishing features?
He wields 8 blades, has the word steel tattooed on his right shoulder, and bullhorns on his left cheek.
Let's go. Your life ends here.
Mission start. So we arrived without any problems. What a letdown.
So far, yeah.
Prepare yourselves, you pesky rats!
Don't interfere! Who are these guys? Ah!
Don't interfere!
Oh, come on! These guys are just totally annoying!
This and that!
I'll crush anyone who stands in my way.
Water-based bullet!
He's so dreamy!
Water style! Water-based bullet!
Looks like the tables have turned, losers! Right, Sasuke?
Water style! Water-based bullet!
I'll crush anyone who stands in my way.
Water style! Water-based bullet!
I heard the hidden cloud was a military power. Didn't think it would be this easy. You're not gonna ask me to hack this down, are you, Sasuke?
Suigetsu, you can transform into water. Get to the other side and open the gate.
Okay, just give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Enemy reinforcements have arrived.
Hold them off until Suigetsu gets back.
Don't interfere!
I'm not here to waste my time. Let's hunt down the Eight Tails already. Numbers alone won't give them any advantage over us. Let's get this over with.
This is what makes Sasuke so irresistible.
Bad news, Sasuke. It looks like there's a seal placed on the gate.
Okay, so we'll unlock the seal first.
But it's really strong, just like I thought.
Hold on, let me figure out exactly where it is.
Hurry, let's get to where the seal is.
I know this is enemy territory, but what's with all these enemies?
They're here to protect the Jinchuriki, of course. What a hunk! He's so dreamy!
Don't interfere!
I'll crush anyone who stands in my way.
We don't have time to be standing around, especially you, Suigetsu, you idiot! Looks like the tables have turned, losers! Right, Sasuke?
Don't interfere! Don't interfere!
I I heard the hidden cloud was a military power. Didn't think it would be this easy.
Oh, come on! These guys are just totally annoying!
Don't interfere! Yuri Shark!
I heard the hidden cloud was a military power. Didn't think it would be this easy.
Take this and that!
I'm not here to waste my time. Let's hunt down the Eight Tails already.
Okay, here we are.
What? Suigetsu? There isn't a seal here anywhere!
Calm down already. Nobody said it was on the ground now, did they?
It's in the water.
You could say that. Wait just a second.
Sasuke, we've got company!
Then we'll just have to give them the welcome they deserve.
Don't interfere! Yuri Shark!
What a hunk! He's so dreamy!
Yuri free!
Oh, come on! These guys are just totally annoying!
Okay, I cracked it.
All right, on to the next one. I'll crush anyone who stands in my way.
Don't interfere! Water style! Water phase bullet! Water style! Water
I'm not
phase
here
bullet!
to waste my time. Let's hunt down the Eight Tails already.
Take this!
I'll crush anyone who stands in my way.
Okay, here we are. I'll be right back.
Sasuke, watch out for the enemy.
They just won't learn their lesson. Stubborn little guys.
Don't interfere! Yuri Shark!
I heard the hidden cloud was a military power. Didn't think it would be this easy.
Yuri free! Take this!
What a hunk! He's so dreamy!
Okay, I cracked it.
All right, on to the next one.
Don't interfere! Yuri Shark!
We don't have time to be standing around, especially you, Suigetsu, you idiot!
Don't interfere! Shark!
Looks like the tables have turned, losers. Right, Sasuke?
This isn't such a bad place, you know? Plenty of water. Okay, the floodgate should be open now.
All right, let's go.
Water style! Water fang bullet!
We don't have time to be standing around, especially you, Suigetsu, you idiot!
Don't interfere! Dori Shark!
What a hunk! He's so dreamy!
Dori Shark!
This is as far as you're gonna get, you hooligans!
Hooligans, huh? That's pretty harsh.
Suigetsu, come on! Don't make Sasuke do all the work!
That was the general idea.
Sasuke, get the big guy first.
How come?
He shares his chakra with the others and makes them more powerful.
So there are ninja like that in the hidden cloud. I'll crush anyone who stands in my way. Let's go.
Sasuke, wait! This chakra's off the charts.
Are you the Eight Tails Jinchuriki?
Hey, that's all you Lord Eight Tails, sir, to you. Or are you Lord Jinchuriki, sir? That'd work too.
I'm here to capture you.
Yo, who are you? Why you wanna capture me, yo?
I am under no obligation to tell you.
Yo, first I'm gonna float and fly like a butterfly. Then I sting you like a killer bee. And end my flow with the finishing blow.
Okay, let's hurry and shut up this witness pain in the ear.
I'm not witness, yo. Got charm and flow. Fool, yeah, that's right.
What a joke! As a rapper, he's got absolute zero talent!
This guy's used to handling blades. He's no ordinary ninja.
I'll give you a taste of my hook. Getting beat, so it's time to retreat. Oh, yeah.
Cutting!
I know. I found him!
She's a sensory type. What a pain. Stand back and stay back, or you'll get whacked, you fool!
Time to bag an Eight Tails.
What is this guy made of? So that's the Jinchuriki. What an incredible chakra!
Playtime is done, so you better run.
Are you a monster or a moron? Make up your mind! Sheesh.
Although he's definitely got speed and power, he only moves in a linear fashion. I should be able to see him coming. Kari, read his chakra and anticipate his movements.
If you really think you can stay ahead,
Sorry, B. I win.
Mission complete. Sasuke, now's our chance! Let's pin him down!
Okay.
those eyes, the Sharingan, Genjutsu. I can't move.
You did it, Sasuke! Now he's...
Not so fast. My patience is wearing out. Stupid fools! You little tools!
What? How did he break Sasuke's Genjutsu on his own?
In order to break a Genjutsu, you need a partner to shake your chakra and wake you up. My partner is the 8 tails inside me. Genjutsu won't work against Jinchuriki, who have control over their tail beasts. Your illusions I obliterate, then y'all I shall annihilate. My true mode as the tail beasts are bold. Now look upon me as I make you pee all down your pants, you little ass.